Hi, this is Brittany with WTI sharing this beautiful rug with you today. This is an Oriental distressed rug. You can tell some of the detail. It has a nice distressing to it, which personally was one of the things that really drew me to this rug, but also it is non-shedding. It is also the easiest to vacuum because of the actual pile. It's not super shaggy. It is not shaggy at all, actually. And so because of that, it's very easy to vacuum. Absolutely love this rug. I like that it's very classy and chic because it is the Oriental print. However, like I said, the distressing kind of modernizes it for me. And I just love that it's so easy to keep clean. It's so easy to maintain. And I have absolutely loved having it in this space. And I also feel like it keeps my house a little extra warm too for the winter, which is definitely a plus. And that's my point of view.